Every great harvest begins with the perfect field. Each one is picked at the peak of ripeness. From field to factory, the journey begins. Inside the factory, the transformation truly starts. Every pumpkin is thoroughly washed and inspected. Only the finest pumpkins move forward in the process. Powerful machines cut each pumpkin with precision.
Seeds and pulp are carefully separated for other uses.
Steam cooking softens the flesh to perfection.
The flesh is blended into a smooth, rich puree.
Every batch is blended to a consistent, silky texture.
Precision systems keep the puree moving smoothly. Fine straining ensures a flawless, smooth consistency. Every batch is tested for the perfect texture.
Gentle heating locks in flavor and freshness. Empty cans are prepared with mechanical precision. Each can is filled with exact, careful precision. Sealing locks in freshness for every single can.
Sterilization ensures every can is safe and ready.
Vibrant labels give each can its finished look. Packed and ready, the cans prepare for their journey. From farm to can, quality shines in every detail. Ready to bring rich flavor to kitchens everywhere. From whole pumpkin to golden puree, crafted with pride.